How you feel about negotiation?
Sure.
What's the lowest you'd do for these three?
What you need?
Nothing.
You're in the right place, then we go.
Got a whole bunch of nothing?
Exactly.
Would you like a donut or lemonade?
No thank you.
Prices are negotiable.
Okay. It's a good day for water slides, huh?
Right? Yeah.
Oh, candy molds. Tire rack. Wow. Haven't seen one of these in a while, huh?
Right? So apparently the
Oh, it's a
speaker-
Sirius radio.
Yeah, apparently the speaker part works. It's the
Huh.
thing in the middle that does it.
Gotcha. Oh, and that's all the cabling.
I have no idea what's up with that box.
It's like tools, something.
What are you going to do? Your arms do not look full yet.
I know, I just, I want to buy stuff.
Yeah. Needs to be cleaned out.
I'll do $1 a piece on these.
Okay.
See? Hands are full.
Yay! Alright, so I'm curious about the camera.
It's YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, yard sailing.
You YouTube yard sales.
Yeah, usually only if I find something like really awesome.
Uh-huh.
But yeah,
Interesting.
people YouTube anything.
Yeah, they do.
I mean, whether or not people will watch it, it's a
Yeah.
separate
Right.
question.
Yeah, right.
But at least it's good to have a hobby.
Right. Is that GoPro?
Yeah. Well, actually, it's a DJI.
Okay.
It's like, they do the drones.
Drones, yeah.
Yeah, the GoPros cost more.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
cheap. All right, thanks, guys. I should look in that free box. How are you? A little cold.
I'm a little chilly.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's in the garage.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes, fall has arrived.
It's not the worst thing.
No.
It's been a hot one.
And again, this year, the summer was very hot. And of course, it was the year you couldn't go anywhere.
Yeah, that was annoying. This is cool. Bubba Keg.
Yep. What? I mean, it's not yours, so 20. Yeah, but you don't want it either.
Remember, if you don't sell it, it goes in your house.
Exactly. That's gonna go on a moving truck tomorrow if
Yeah.
it doesn't sell. Hey, there's a great deal next door.
I heard that, yeah.
You could probably talk her down too.
Oh, this is kind of neat.
Oh, does he babysit too?
How you feel about negotiation?
Sure.
What's the lowest you'd do for these three?
You can have 6.
$6?
Yep.
Okay, I can do that.
I love that sign.
Yeah, that's really cool. And it's perfect time too, because,
Yeah,
Halloween is in
yeah.
a couple days.
And I'm moving, so that's why I'm like,
Ooh, I might be short on dollar bills. I have a 10.
that's fine.
Oh yeah, you came prepared.
I went to the bank yesterday.
I was mean to, and then work takes till 6
Yeah,
p.m. and
no.
they're closed.
Yeah, no, I need a point to get there. So there you go.
All right, now I got $4 to negotiate with her.
You should just go over and offer $1 for the entertainment stand just to see what
Oh, this
I
looks
would
like it's worth $1 to me.
Yeah, right?
Can I just leave these on the cooler while I look over there?
Yeah, that's fine.
And that actually is a pretty cool cooler too. These usually break on them though. Yours isn't broken. But then I gotta clean it. I'm too lazy.
TV stand for you. $40.
Yeah, I heard it's $1.
to this day, he still he knows the difference between. I'm sorry.
That's fine. I just wanted to grab this one.
The between strawberry shortcake and little girl.
Would you take 3 for all this?
Sure.
Alrighty.
She told you my secret. Just bargain with her. Bargain with her.
No, she gave me like $3 change. I said, I'm gonna see what I can get with this $3. Alright, cool. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
What you're saying? You said more over there?
I did.
Someone tried to get your side.
Oh, did they? Huh? Huh?
Like that's spoken for.
Alright, I got some good stuff. Cool. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yep. Morning. Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. I know. The challenge for like putting it out too is it's so hard to figure out how to organize it.
Oops. Dropping stuff. Don't forget about the tea.
I just wanted to grab your feet. Look at that popping.
I don't mind. How you guys doing this morning?
Alright, thank you.
Fuzzo Doodles.
Sorry?
Fuzzo Doodles? Look fun.
Yeah.
No, it goes for the humping rope. Yeah. So much cream cheese on it.
What? Did they put a lot in there? Oh my goodness.
Like glue.
I wonder why they put so much. Maybe because they'd rather put more and you can take off than They only had 2 sweet ones. One with walnuts all in it. I wasn't sure if you would like that, but you did say strawberry. What time's your golf?
We're leaving at 11:30.
That's all the things that go with the
Yeah, yeah.
games, yeah.
Yeah, I've played it. I was seeing which guys you had.
I swear, I think we have more.
The boots?
Oh, 5. Actually, are they worn or let me just have a look.
I'm pretty sure we got more of those Skylanders somewhere.
Really? Yeah, they're easy to lose.
What costumes we have already?
Are they new or something?
She does hour and a half trip becomes like a missionary. Help run 7 Durham. Yeah, well, thank you.
How much are your books?
Well, 50 cents each.
50 cents each?
Mm.
Okay. I might get a couple. Let me look through. Howard Henry. I like that. Doctor Who.
What's your son on it?
You take 5 for all these?
Yeah,
One,
yeah,
two.
that's fine.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it should be 6, but
Yeah, that's fine. You sure?
alright, cool. Oh, where'd you get the bagel?
I think she got them from Bagels Plus. on
Yeah,
the
they
top.
always put too much cream cheese.
I guess I can't believe it with cream cheese in it. I feel like I'll
I always grab one of their little disposable knives so I can
Oh,
take
so-
half of it off every time I buy one there. Oh, these are cool. How much are your shoes and slippers and stuff? These little slippers? Little Doctor Who slippers? 2 for that? Yeah. A little stained.
I don't think they've been worn.
I think those were Sydney slippers, but
Yeah.
yeah, $2.
Mm.
I think Gracie may have gotten.
They're cool, they're just a little stained.
Thank you.
What is this? Magic. Pardon me. How much for the fuzz doodles?
$3
3. Let me get my phone.
Do you want it for $1?
Yeah, that's about what I was willing to do on it. I don't know if my kids would like it, but anytime I see something not played with,
Okay, alright.
we'll play with it. Oh, sorry, puppy. Alright, thanks, guys.